Hey guys, this is Extreme Airsoft 17 with an overview of our airsoft guns. First gun is the CYMA M14 metal with fake wood, and it has a 500 round high capacity mag and a 450 high round capacity mag. And that gun is $180.
Next, we have the Well MB03, constructed of metal and plastic. We have two 30-round magazines for this gun. $100. Next, we have the Javelin M4 EBB. We have 5 300 rounds high capacity mags, a dual mag, 2 normal mags, and 1 mag with the mag pull. That gun is $200.
Next we have the JG AK-74U with a 1,000 round mag, another 1,000 round mag, and a 500 round mag for high capacity. It's metal with real wood. The gun is around $150.
Next, we have the Double Eagle M40, also known as the MP40. It's made of plastic. We have 1 magazine, which can hold around 25 to 30 bullets. It was free online.
They're usually about $30 though. Same thing, the MP40 Double Eagle. You already heard it, don't have to talk about it again.
Next, we have the UTG multi-shot shotgun, made of plastic. Have 8 30-round shells. Shoots 3 bullets at a time, as you know. It was around $60. Next, we have the Galaxy E3. It has 1 magazine with it that holds around 15 to 16 bullets, and it was around $30.
Next is the Colt M1911A1 with 4 extra mags, 2 black, 2 white. The gun's $30 and the mags hold around 12 to 15 bullets, and the gun's plastic. Next we have the Wing Gun W3000. It's metal, plastic, mixed, and the mag holds around 20 bullets. And the gun's around like $50.
Next, we have the Wing Gun 1911A1. I have three magazines, each hold around 15 to 16 rounds. Both of these 2 guns, gas-powered, and the gun is right around $70.
Now onto the optics with the Diamond 1x40 scope with green and red dots. It's metal and it's around $30.
Next, we have the NC Star 1x30 zoom scope with red dot, different intensities, around $30.
And this is just a quick look at all the guns. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. That's about it. Please rate, comment, subscribe.